Sell stop and Q. Seller sweep and Q. Absorption sellers and Q. Buyer sweep and Q. Buy stop and Q. Iceberg ES sell. Iceberg ES buy. Buy stop and Q. Buyer sweep and Q. Sell stop and Q. Buy stop and Q. Buyer sweep and Q. Absorptions buyers ES. Absorptions buyers ES. Buyer sweep ES. Absorptions buyers ES. Stop ES buy. Stop ES buy. Buyer sweep ES. Absorptions buyers ES. Buyer sweep and Q. Buyer sweep ES. Absorptions buyers ES. Absorptions buyers ES. Seller sweep and Q. Iceberg ES sell. Iceberg ES sell. Buyer sweep and Q. Absorptions buyers ES. Absorptions buyers ES. Buyer sweep ES. Buyer sweep ES. Stop ES buy. Buyer sweep ES. Absorption sellers and Q. Seller sweep ES. Absorption sellers ES. Seller sweep ES. Buyer sweep and Q. Buyer sweep ES. Absorptions buyers ES. Absorptions buyers ES. Buyer sweep ES. Buyer sweep NQ. Buyer sweep ES. Buyer sweep ES. Buyer sweep ES. Sell stop NQ. Seller sweep ES. Iceberg ES buy. Iceberg ES buy. Iceberg ES buy. Iceberg ES buy. Absorption sellers ES. Absorptions buyers ES. Absorptions buyers ES. Buy stop NQ. Buyer sweep ES. Buyer sweep ES. Buyer sweep NQ. Absorption sellers ES. Seller sweep ES. Absorptions buyers ES. Seller sweep NQ. Seller sweep ES. Iceberg ES buy. Iceberg ES buy. Iceberg ES buy. Absorption sellers ES. Iceberg ES buy. Iceberg ES buy. Iceberg ES buy. Absorption sellers ES.
Yeah, I can hear you, bro. What's up?
Iceberg ES buy. Buy
Bro, I
iceberg
got some
NQ.
XBX calls that I bought for $30
Iceberg ES
that was
buy.
at 140. I'm letting them shit ride, bro. I'm letting it
Iceberg
ride.
ES buy.
I'm gonna let them
Absorption
ride.
sellers ES.
And this will probably be the day where we get that stupid reversal. You said what? I'm gonna let them ride.
Euphoric.
No, I'm super euphoric right now. I'm letting them ride, baby.
Well, let's see how much I made total. I took profit kind of at the top, at the high, and then I figured we were gonna pull back. All right, so I made 15K total. I was up like 16. If I
hmm
had closed out both of them at the top, would have been like 16. But I kind of figured they were gonna come in and try to take profits and sell off a little bit
hmm Yeah.
after a run up like that. Yeah, you'd be foolish not to.
Uh-huh. Yeah, cause dude, we literally talked about all this crap last night. We was talking about this entire week, but especially last night. And it hit that 680 level perfectly and dropped. So I was like, I don't know if this is gonna be like a pullback. Hopefully they find support here at 550. And we can, oh crap, and we can potentially see a move up to 720. But yeah, that 680 level was definitely going to be a wall for bears or for bulls and a great
Yeah.
spot to take profits.
Yeah. Yep.
Well, you know how we do.
Yes, made it
All right,
to
so that's
30 in the 30s, 35.
yeah. Yeah, I was looking at I was like, man, I should probably short 30s. But I was thinking probably 40s, 45, 50. Cuz I mean, dude, why do all that? Just I mean, well, yeah. Yeah. Mm.
Well, 30, around 30 was that level back in the day. It's
Mm-hmm.
a couple weeks ago. I can't remember if it was, I think it was resistance.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that makes sense to get out around there.
Yeah, I was thinking about taking a quick short, and it looks like I would have been happy if I did, but I didn't want to get in front of this bull train
Yeah.
and get my feelings hurt. Uh, yeah. All right. Well, we'll see. We'll see if yeah, and this is what I was telling people last night. I keep falling victim to the NQ. I would have been out of this literally at this top right here. But you know how that shit go. You know how it goes. When it's like, oh my God, this thing, she's not stopping. It can keep going. They keep moving your target up. I got my target all the way up at 800 now. And this is
That's crazy.
it's like it can keep going.
Yeah, I know the feeling.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I was like, well, the first one I trailed tight. It kept going, pushed to the high, and then pulled back and stopped me out. So I'm pretty much out near the high.
Mm-hmm.
And the second one, I kind of gave it a little bit of room to just trail, and then yeah, she pulled back.
Yeah. Good morning, Alfred. What's up?
Overall, it's still a great trade.
Yeah, definitely a great trade, dude. I wouldn't be mad at it.
You talking about
Oh no, was this like an eval or was this in your like a funded account?
no, this is a sim. So
Oh.
there was no emotion attached to it. Yeah. I made sure I put that in the title. This is the sim. But this trade was taken last night. About what time was it? It wasn't right at the open, so that would have been beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
If I waited for that long entry at 210. But I was watching the charts on my phone and I was like, hold up. This thing looks like a potential good long setup.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's Friday. You know how they like to do. But looking at it, like, yeah, it's going up. And this is what? Yeah, it's a 5-minute chart. It's going slightly up. It's like consolidating up, slowly but
Mm-hmm.
surely. And then, yeah, we finally get that breakout. That was at 7. Yeah. That was like 300, over 300 points, though.
Yeah. All right, so we'll see. I probably might buy closer to VWAP here. I probably might buy it closer to VWAP. Because I mean, yeah, we could see that bounce at the 200 EMA. Honestly, we could see. I mean, we could see. We got this area right here that. I mean, they're already kind of buying it already, but. We did touch a level of where people taking profit, so I want to make sure that I get in nice and low as possible. Get in as low as possible on this move, and I think VWAP will probably be that move. I mean, at this point, there ain't no point even talking to the thing with Bookmap chat about bullishness. I was telling them all yesterday afternoon. It's
That's
like, want to
right.
hear your bullish thesis?
I meant to say, I was gonna text you. Yeah, the indicator is undefeated. The Think with Bookmap chat indicator is undefeated.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was like, well, yeah, they're super bearish right now. And I was telling them, I was like, dude, for whatever reason, they're hitting 590 shares. Like they were hitting it all day. And I was like, dude, this thing ain't about to and I'm kind of like, man, where the NQ at? If I'm gonna take a long, probably gonna be and the NQ ain't, yeah, the NQ dropping. But it is at that level. Mm. It is at the it is here. Mm. Mm. It is here. It did bounce. Yeah, the one thing about the NQ, if you're trying to catch a falling knife, man, you better make sure you catch the right one. You better make sure you catch the right one. All right. And where are we at? I mean, that can't be right. It's hold on, what? That can't be right. Unless that's my competition account or something like that.
I mean, that seems like a decent enough pullback. It pulled back to this 21 here. It's
Mm-hmm.
trying to hold, so let's see. Do we get a long for a continuation?
I hope so, because I got my calls that I didn't get out of.
What's your strike price?
So 600 calls on SPY and 630 calls on XBX. I think we should get that. We should. Let's be kind of, yeah, wait until it gets to, because I don't want to miss it, but it like, dude, it's like literally in that area where we just could see like a straight up bullish engulfing candle. We are in that area. Let's see what it does.
21, 5 minutes. Charts are gone. Yeah, that was a good exit up there. Probably should have cut both of them at the top.
All right. I'm definitely putting my stop underneath this range. All right, so I mean, let's see if we can get like a run back up here. I'm gonna leave that first target where it's at, so we can at least get paid, just in case this thing continues downward. Okay, at least we can get paid. Leave that first target right there. There. Oh, come on, man! I was about to say, I was like, dude, fill my damn target. Shit. 580. 580 should be my next one. Like 575. 72. That next target. 630. Like right there. And shit. Well, I mean, we targeted what probably like 715. 715.
So with the next, yeah, we'll do like a breakout. Buy stop up there. See, because that 23% might hold us back.
Mm-hmm.
You got a 23% on yours in the way?
No, they bounced off my 23%.
Okay.
It bounced off of mine. Yeah, it bounced off of mine. I'm targeting the golden zone now. Because that's what we all know. If it bounces off the 23%, that's where it's going. Or it's highly likely to go. You should say that. It's not always guaranteed, but if we see a bounce, that's where it's going. Mm.
Oh, you switched to minis?
Blasphemy. I trade minis now. Blasphemy. I've never traded micros. Never.
You should be able to hear me now, Alfred. Should be. I was working out. The settings always change every time I freaking
Nah, do it.
start up a new stream. I don't know. It's just crazy.
I just want that second target at least. ES or NASDAQ. Just be nice to me.
Yeah, wanted that breakout.
If it pulls back to my break even, I'm gonna add one more. There's no way that the Bears, I mean, with this bullish move up, it's highly likely that the Bulls are gonna want to at least make an attempt to retest that high.
Yeah, they usually do. They usually try to go. If they don't touch it exactly, they'll get close to it.
Yeah, they'll get close.
To get close and fail, or they break out above it. It's like the only two outcomes, really.
Damn, Bulls, where you at? Where you at, Bulls? Where you at?
They said we did all the work pre-market.
That's what I'm concerned about. No, the job ain't finished. It ain't finished. Job ain't.
Job ain't finished. It's like, you not happy? What's there to be happy about? Job's not finished. He was dead serious too. That's why I rock with him.
Mm-hmm.
What's there to be happy about? You're up. What was he? You're up 2-1, 3-1. Is the job done? Is the job finished?
Yep. They had that Black Mamba mentality.
Your Disneyland mentality out here.
We didn't cross the finish line, but we're almost there. We're so happy. Like, that's exactly
We're so happy. Yeah, and then the next person up comes and passes you and steals all your glory. Gets first place. Yeah.
That's happened so many times. I'm surprised people still do it.
Yeah. Job's not finished. Something to be happy about. The job finished?
You're up 3K. Why haven't you taken it? It hasn't hit my profits. Job ain't finished.
It ain't hit them targets yet. Job's not finished. You let it come all the way back to 0. Break even. Is the job finished? Oh, that's too funny. But yeah, that'll in trading that'll get you caught up though.
For sure.
You gotta know when the job's not finished. Gotta know.
Man, these Bears are trying to sell it though. I'll give them that. I mean, dude, this is the only time we see like real aggression from Bears. Like, and at this point, we're tired of it. We're tired of it. We're tired of your behavior, Bears. We only see the aggression when the Bulls are trying to get somewhere. But when Price gets up there to resistance where we need you, where we need this type of aggression, y'all don't ever show up.
Yeah. It's actually kind of crazy.
Get out the way. Yeah. Let the Bulls get their retest, man.
So we can see on this 1,000-tick chart, we have this now new forming downtrend. I tried to buy this breakout along this breakout above. Well, I was anticipating that it was going to break out, but 23% is right here. And I figured that might give some trouble. Let me see, because we're doing this off the 5-minute. I mean, 5-minute looks like could potentially. This pattern here looks like it's trying to. Bulls are trying to step in around this area. So that's kind of a good sign.
Damn, I should have took that long on freaking ES. I should have took the damn long. It was easier. Damn.
Was it?
It's not crazy. Yeah, like look at the ES. That long from 13 is already up 15 points. That's what we're talking about, baby. That's what we're talking about. There we go. That big green dildo candle up. I can't make more than 4,200 though.
And now I'm DCAing into it early. Yeah, there we go. I don't even got the TickStrike on. I wonder how crazy it was going last night.
Dude. If they had a box for bear tears, that shit would have been Laren.
Collecting bear tears all last night.
Bear tears. No, NASDAQ, no, come back. Please, come back.
At 23%. Usually like
Where's it at on your chart?
Well, I drew it from, I mean, I guess that's pre-market. It's just before the open. So yeah, 682. It's sitting here at 570. 571. And then they just
NASDAQ, what was the point of that?
Just shortchanged.
What was the point of that?
Yeah. Yeah. But that's on my 2K tick chart.
Ah, damn. Ah, damn. This is why I trade the NASDAQ and the sim. No. Q, please don't do this. Don't do it.
They're gonna try to go for VWAP? They probably are. They might.
Damn. Damn. Damn it. Okay.
Yeah, if they don't hold here, they're gonna at least go for VWAP. Maybe.
Where's VWAP on your chart?
472.
472.
Looks like it's at around there on Finkel Bookmap.
He says, "Thank you, got you gun shy."
If they hold this area with the 21, should be good. But if they break out, then this is cooked. This is the sim for me. That was a good play. I wish I could have taken that in an account that matters, but
Yeah.
it's all good. There'll be another play like that for next time.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll be
There'll
ready.
always be another play.
Yeah. It's 5 minutes. See how it's looking on the 1,000. It's not looking too bad here. It looks like it's flattening out. The EMAs are flattening out. 1,000 tick.
Mm.
It's a good sign that it's not trying to go down anymore. Maybe we could break out now.
Yeah, that'll be nice.
Nice little breakout right here. They gonna do a cup and handle?
No, it just needs to hit my target. That's what it needs to do.
Where's your
Let's hit that target pattern.
Let's hit that target pattern. 565. Would you lower it to that? Oh, you put it at the previous high. Right
Yeah, because I can only make $4,200 at the most in these accounts. And right there was like at 35, 36. I was like, well, let me take off it because there's no point, having my targets out because I'll just have to make that money back, or that's the amount of trading I had to do. And what's up, Raven? What's up, Jack? Alfred, you say you lost a couple of accounts. Yeah, I mean, dude, this week for whatever reason, it was just, well, yesterday was challenging for me. I mean, the rest of this week was straight, but
man,
yesterday, that shit was crazy yesterday.
yo,
Go ahead.
I guess when you take a step back and you can only watch, man, I had this whole week I had post market clarity. Like I was like, I'm sitting here getting tortured, and then Charlotte's telling me, "Oh yeah, we made this today, we made that," and then I'm looking at the charts. I'm like, "Yeah, okay, I would have went. I'd have took the long here. I'd have took the short there. Bam, bam, bam." I'm like, damn, I could have made so much money on that. And then yesterday, I was like, okay, I see this. I see what they're doing today. The price action is lame. They're doing this trend line sell off mess. Basically in a line, just selling off. I was like, man, I guess when you take a step back like that and you're getting a Kashkari treatment, tortured in the dungeon, can't click the button, you can only watch. I was seeing everything. Oh, okay, they failed. They failed that. Looks like they're failing it on the 5-minute. Or are they just testing it? Nah, this is a failure. This is a failure.
Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. I haven't traded you in a while. I know, baby. I know. Don't do don't do that.
Yeah, that's a failure.
You know what we gotta do.
Shoot, they can go for VWAP, they can go for this midpoint, or they can go for this golden zone, 200. That's a lot of points. That's about 100 points from now.
Let's not talk about that. Let's not talk about that. Dude, no way.
They got options, though. They got these options here. Let's see.
The Bears is like, job ain't finished.
Job's not finished.
Bears, get out of the way. Get out the way. Get out the way.
They're like, no,
Shit.
it's time for us to eat. It's time. Yeah, he's sloping down too.
Yeah. Come on, Bulls. Come on, Bulls. Come on, Bulls. Hit that target.
DCA.
Hit it. Yeah.
DCA. 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 They didn't have to do that, though. They didn't have to do that. That was unnecessary. You got
You know
all
how
the
bears are.
you got all the liquidity that you need. You didn't have to do all that. That's what
Mm-hmm.
that's what blows people up. Moves like that.
Yeah. 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 Especially here in the friggin' Nasdaq. Okay, so I'm up 3K. I probably have to take. Okay, so let me move this down because, like I said, I can only make 4,200. Honestly, I should just close it, but that's not how. I don't commit blasphemous acts like that. I don't want to start doing such a bad habit, closing winning trades and leaving the losers to run. Don't turn into a loser. Come on, baby. Don't make me choose. Just
blasphemous acts. All right, let's look and see what we're doing on these different time periods. Okay, the 200 is creeping up on this 1,000 tick. That's good. Sloping up.
all right.
We got VWAP that they just missed. They might try to come back. It's far away on the 5. Well, I guess it seems further away because I got it stretched out here.
All right. So I'm up 3,600 right now. You know what, man? You know what? Hit that target and I'll get out. Hit that target for me, baby, and I'll get out. Hit that target. Hit that target, and I'll get out.
I'm watching this 568.70 area, or 60, 65 to 70. Because they don't break out above this, then they'll probably reject it again.
Mm-hmm. Hit that target and I'll get out, boo. Hit that target and I'll get out. Hit that target and I'll get out. You can't hit that target. Hit that target and I'll get out. Man, come on, NASDAQ shit. Damn.
You got it.
Oh my God, dude.
You got it.
Why are you like that?
You got it. Don't worry.
Why?
You got it.
You like that?
All
right. Damn. Okay. I'm done. $3,200. I'm done. I still got this. Still got this. I'm up 540 points, baby. Let's go. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. 500 and well, actually, I'm up more than that because my real entry was here at 210.
Oh, you took the 210 long?
Yeah. Dude, I got in literally at open because I was like, see, I tried to tell the bears on Think with Bookmap that, dude, we touched some heavy demand. Stop shorting. But hey, you don't have to listen to me. I mean, but I get it though. I get it. Nobody wants to hear the bear's thesis when you're in a euphoric short. Nobody wants to hear that shit. Nobody wants to hear that shit. It's like, keep your bear's thesis over there. Nobody wants to hear that shit.
Bullish thesis. We don't be shorting over here. We don't want to hear that.
You want to hear that shit? Yeah, thank you, bro.
So I tried to tell
him. Dude, I've been helping out the bears over there at Think with Bookmap chat for like this entire week. Like, yo. Oh, actually, I'm not up 500 points. That's how much money I'm up. My bad. Because I was like, hold on. I was like up like 500 points up here. But I get it, man. I'm not gonna sit here and hate it because when I'm a bear and I'm short and the market is just crashing down, I want to hear that shit. I don't want to hear it. Look at this guy with his bearish thesis. Man, block this guy. Ban this guy.
Banned. To the shadow
Ban this
realm.
guy.
To the shadow realm with you.
All right, let's see where SPY's at because I'm tripping. I ain't even paying attention to where SPY's at or nothing. All right, SPY's at 90. SPY's at 97, almost 98.
To the shadow realm with him. Boom. TP.
Man, look at after I get out the damn position.
TP
I could have had it.
Hit. Oh, Oh, it's 9
I
o'clock.
get out the damn position.
Oh, they missed my TP. Oh, that's dirty. That's dirty.
Let's see, because
Just
that's like a range right there.
550. That's so dirty. Wow.
Honestly, I probably should wait until a pullback right here. I should probably wait for a pullback. Because, I mean, we are in this range. We could see the bears just randomly.
All right.
Man, NASDAQ, you are a nasty, nasty instrument. As soon as I get out, that's when she wants to come with the bullishness, man. What's up with that?
You should have just waited for that. Let's see. Yeah, 9 o'clock. All right. Use this as support. Don't go backwards now.
All right.
I'm in 2 now, so put that one here. We'll just keep it break even.
I mean, all right. So, I mean, we're being very euphoric, but the ES, we got to pay attention what the ES is doing. And be very mindful what the ES is doing. Because she's not going to break out above highs for no reason, unless she means it.
Yeah, I got the stop on. Okay, so it looks like I should have been targeting this area for the long. It's like 500, 490. Okay, we'll keep that in mind for future instances like this. Yeah, NQ is behind ES. ES is literally near these highs, and NQ is still lagging. In comparison between the two. It's not enough. We got to.
All right. You know, honestly, okay, so I'm in the sim on this one. I want to see if they're going to sell the retest. This is just I want to see what happens trade, not, let me see if they sell the retest here. I'm looking to see if they sell the retest of this break of structure right here. You see where they broke structure to the downside right here? Well, it looks like they're trying to sell it, at least the bears. So now, this is why I'm saying I'm taking it in a sim, because I kind of want to see what happens here. We do got this range of support right here. So even if they do kind of dip back into it, I do think that the bulls will buy it somewhere in this range. But I just want to see what happens here. Full disclaimer.
Yeah. And mine is being trailed, so it's probably going to get stopped out from the looks of it.
Yeah.
And not quite, almost. Boom, stopped out.
All right. Yeah, I'm not even gonna play with these targets. I'm gonna let them hit a little bit. Man, she's playing with that first target, man. She's playing with it. Like, she literally touched it and didn't feel like these prop firms, for whatever reason. Like, dude, like I had a ES trade that it literally touched it and did not feel it.
Really?
In these evals, dude, I was like, yo, what the fuck? And then sometimes sometimes it'll touch it and only feel some of it. And I'm like, why the hell is that even happening? Why am I getting slippage in the sim? All right, so at least we got 2 hit. See if we get that third one hit. I mean, I guess it was a good trade. That's why I guess you trust the charts and not your heart. It was highly likely that they was going to come back in here and sell that retest of that break of structure down. And that's exactly what they did. I don't think that this is a reversal. I just think this is them selling the retest right here. Actually, let me turn this off. Yeah, you can see that, so I can see it myself. That was them selling a retest right there. But I do think that the bulls will probably come right back in, because usually when we see big moves up like that, bulls are buying the pullback for sure. For sure. And there goes that third target. Well, let's see. Let's see if we can get that last target hit. Let's see. I mean, it turned into a great trade. A great trade. All right. I probably might have to get out of this one, because now it's gonna probably go long here. Because the job on the net on the ES ain't finished. You said what?
I said that was a good call out.
Yeah. All right.
Job ain't finished. All right. The first TP hit. Again, I should have waited to the 50 probably for that long entry. Or
I mean, it's kind of somewhat difficult to determine what side the market really wants to go on today for whatever reason. I mean, obviously it's going up, but
you don't want to get caught in the any of the consolidation, back and forth consolidation I was trying to do before it picks a side.
He makes a real move.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see, what's it looking like on? Okay, so 5 minute we had R5 on the 5 minute at 21,646. It broke out of that, but it didn't extend past, so that's good. I mean, with these pivot points, you kind of get an idea for how far it's gonna really go, or you get an idea for a good area to maybe reverse.
Yeah.
So 621, 64. What did I say? 645. And then it made it to, I mean, 40 points. That's a lot on Nasdaq, but you get the idea. Like, it's not gonna extend too much further over that, especially on R5.
Yeah. Let me look at my calls. I don't know if they're trying to kill premium right now, but yeah, my calls are kind of dead right now. Or they lost a lot of value. My XPX calls. I mean, I'm still up $45 on them, but I think the market makers are going to probably try to chop price as much as possible, and then probably like towards the end of the day, run it up. But I mean, like, my only concern is that it hit that level at 680. Again, that level at 680 right here is the retest of this level right here that we drawn out literally last week or at the beginning of this week. It hit it, and we're seeing that rejection. I mean, it touched it perfectly. I mean, you can't get any more perfect than that. It touched it perfectly. I mean, if we do see a run up, we'll probably see a run. I think 720 will probably be the target for today. 720, 717, if we see a move up from here. but the EMAs are flattening out. So we could see more pullback, but
Yeah, I mean the Bulls seem to be struggling to break out of this.
mm-hmm.
Bears are like, no, we at least want VWAP. They keep failing to get it. At least on my chart. Let me see.
Hold on real quick. Give me a second.
Target 570 here and then leave a runner for the breakout. But now it looks like, shoot. Put that stop there. Okay, stopped out. Now we will move. Yeah, let's do 590. Get that breakout. 590.
Yeah, it's just this lack of follow through that has me concerned. I do want to get back in long here. It's just a lack of follow through.
Yeah. Stop at break even, which is let's give it a little bit of room. All right. That's like what?
Damn, Bulls, where you at?
Got like a 14, 15 point stop. Trail.
Oh yeah, let's look at ES real quick, because honestly, we're watching the wrong instrument when it starts to chop. And the NASDAQ is not the right instrument to be watching. She'll sit there and lie to you with momentum. The ES, she don't have momentum like that. That's why you really shouldn't be tricked with the ES, honestly.
All right, stopped out on that. Stopped out and then she goes. Ain't that a beat?
She pushed.
Oh, she just pushed back up to what she's trying to break out at, but she did stop me out first. Yeah, this is kind of dangerous. I mean, to me, it looks like it wants to break out to go higher, but it is kind of dangerous. Obviously, if this was a real account for me, I'd have been stopped. I'd have been done for the day. But it's the sim, baby, so we can have fun in this.
Never leave a heater. Never leave when you're on a heater.
Never leave when you're on a heater. Yeah, it's the ES holding. And the ES is already near its highs, so and if the ES is holding NQ back, then you know what I'm saying, like how much more can the NQ go higher at this point?
Yeah, that's why you always watch the ES when the NASDAQ is doing this. I saw something. Okay, so this is why it's very important not to take in information that does not make sense. I saw somebody in the Think with Bookmap chat says, I even see people use the ES to take their NASDAQ trades. I'll sit here and tell you from personal experience that taking your trades based off the ES will be more profitable in the long run. If ES is at support, the NASDAQ, if it's not at support, is going to be getting there, and vice versa. If the ES doesn't go, the NASDAQ won't go. Now, there's some times where they do, they're not correlated, but dude, 9 times out of 10, they're correlated. 9 times out of 10,
Yeah.
they're correlated.
Highly correlated.
Mm-hmm. So if you think you're about to get a breakout and the ES is not ready for a breakout, the NASDAQ will probably break out, trap all the bulls, and fell right back into that trading range. Using both of these instruments together to make your trading decisions is very, very profitable, and it is the right and correct way to trade them. How many times have y'all seen on stream that I've taken trades on the NASDAQ based on what the ES is doing? All the time. So it works. Don't let somebody in the chat tell you either. Let somebody tell you in the chat that it don't. It works.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy.
I was like, dude, and it was serious too. I'm surprised. Well, I was like, all right. I mean, I'm not going to argue with the guy and tell him that, no, you're wrong in the chat, but nah.
I love blocking people like you.
Felt real sassy blocking me too. Yeah, if anybody doesn't know the backstory, I was telling this guy that he was wrong, and he blocked me. And sure enough, exactly what I said happened. I was like, all right, you can block me, that's fine, but it's your money. You're going to be wrong. So it's your money.
We caught that.
Yeah,
short,
you see that?
baby.
You see that? The ES wasn't ready to break out, so the NASDAQ is not going to break out. Simple.
Oh, wow.
Simple.
They keep failing to get to VWAP though. That's crazy.
Mm-hmm. I mean, the job ain't finished, man. SPY ain't hit 600. Job ain't finished. Job ain't finished.
Job's not finished. Is job finished? No.
Mm-hmm. And dude, he was wrong, and he didn't unblock me when he was wrong, and that's just how I know.
He didn't say sorry.
But I mean, I get it though. Nobody wants to hear your thesis when you're. I mean, it was I forgot what it was. I was like, dude, hey, pay attention to. It was like 365. It was like if it touches 365 and bounces, we're going to moon. And then he was like, blah blah blah. I hate when people come in this chat and blah blah blah, blah blah blah. I was like, all right, it's your money, man. Keep shorting. Shit, you don't have to listen to me. I'm just a guy in the chat. You don't have to listen to me. But listen to your account when you hear that ding. Because I know bears are gonna hold it, man. I know it. So I mean, all right.
Listen to your account when you hear that ding. Every trader's worst nightmare.
Mm-hmm.
Traders
Dude, I'm
hate-
waiting for this thing to hit this 200 EMA. All right, go ahead.
Traders hate it when they hear this.
Prop firms love it.
Ding. You need more liquidity, my guy.
Dude, if the bears don't hold this, man, I should have shorted that. Man. All right, man. I should have just paid attention. I should have shorted because I was thinking about shorting 30, but I was like, man, that's gonna probably be too easy on the ES. But
They keep taking it into this area. This is looking like a solid demand area as of right now.
yeah, and then we gotta remember that today is OPEC, so we probably might get this chop until a lot of these contracts expire and a lot of these people get out of their contracts. And then probably like at 1 o'clock, we'll probably see, that run. Well, the 200 in VWAP is at 614, around 614 on the ES. And if it touches that, it's highly likely that we'll see that bounce. When the ES is ready to run, the market will run. But if we get a break below this little line right here, all right, so we get some dark pool activity. Shit, they're probably selling this shit now. They're probably selling it. We're seeing a lot of people. We're seeing a lot of dark pool at 596, and I highly doubt that they're buying these highs. So I highly doubt it.
All right, first TP at VWAP hit. I'm gonna put the stop break even. Oh, whoa. Oh, dang. Never mind. All right, I'm all out.
Damn.
Well,
Every time when I hold the damn calls, they never run, man. What's up with that, man? What's up with that?
break below this could mean unfinished business.
Mm-hmm.
Shoot, oh man, they could. You could possibly get down here to. I don't even want to say it.
633.
That's
It's probably a
nasty
fake
work.
guy, bro. You said what?
I've said that would be nasty work on the AQ.
Mm-hmm.
To give all that up, and they've been doing lately. They've been giving up the pre-market run-ups. That's how you know.
Hold on, no. That's a. Did us? Hold on. Did you and your stream or something?
No.
Okay. No, that was for some reason YouTube jumped me to an old stream and we was talking. That was an old conversation. That wasn't me. That was past me. But my bad. Go ahead.
I'm just saying the Bulls have been coming strong in the pre-market, which is good. They're doing at least the past 2 days. Got these crazy run-ups.
Yeah.
And then the Bears take back control. Like yesterday, they gave up all that move.
All right, man. So this could be the run up right here, man. I was literally waiting for VWAP. And this could be the run back up.
Hopefully.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, all right, never mind. I missed it. Shit. Man, oh my god, dude. No, man. That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. Damn, dude. Mick. Come on, Bulls. Y'all couldn't touch VWAP? All right, man. Well, we got they missed VWAP, but they bounced off the 200 EMA. But they missed VWAP. All right, so I guess now, if this is a range that they've established, I had to wait for a breakout and to buy it at 228. All right, what account is that, man? What account is that? 127. All right, man. Hey, what's up, Mohammed? What's up? Oh, so Pop, I was looking at the ES chart at the time. It missed VWAP on ES at the time. Like it literally missed it by 17. It missed it by like a point. Unfortunately for my position.
So what you got? You said they're holding a range or forming a range?
Yeah.
How'd you do today, Muhammad? Made 17 million.
That sounds about right.
Made a 100x what I made.
I hate this so much. I'm in the wrong fucking account, man. Damn, I got into the wrong account and I made all that fucking money in the wrong account.
Oh, which
Hold
account?
on. I made all that money in the wrong account, man. Shit. That's like, and that's all I needed right there to pass the account. All right, man. Man.
Where's my pickle?
I think mom is making it for you. I'll go down there with her.
Of course, I traded in the wrong freaking account. Of course. All right, so I gotta keep this shit tight. I gotta keep it tight,
Yeah, put it on your bed.
just in case it drops. All right.
Oh, no trades. That's kind of blasphemy, Muhammad, but I understand. I was forced not to be able to trade this whole week. I was sitting here at work with a lockdown laptop. Can't do nothing on that.
Oh, you
thing.
can't. He can't do nothing on it. They blocked everything.
Nah, yeah, you can't do anything on it. And this is surprising. Like I barely. Well, they don't have me set up for the connection. I guess my desk is the only one like missing connection, so I had to try to use their Wi-Fi, their work Wi-Fi, which is trash. I mean, you thought it was bad when I was overseas. Nah, this is terrible. Yesterday I couldn't even connect at all, and I kept
Damn, for
trying
real?
all day. Usually it'll get me on for a couple hours before crapping out, but nah, I couldn't even get on. So I was just chilling, watching the charts from my phone.
Can't use the hotspot from your phone. Come on, NQ. Don't be nasty to me. Don't be nasty to me, NQ.
Yeah,
I can't play with this.
I'm pretty much done.
That was in your real account or eval?
Sim. It's all in the sim.
You have one in a moment, Mommy. Mommy needs to eat.
Okay. All right. It looks like she's not gonna be nice to me here. Or all right, maybe I spoke too soon. NQ. I made a mistake earlier. That's what I needed, baby. Please, please, don't do it. 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 I need that. I need it. I need it. Please, don't. No. Oh, no.
Well, we failed to break out above that 23, man. That thing was holding. Hopefully, you get that breakout now.
Dude, hopefully it hits my targets, dude. I need it. No, NQ.
I'm saying that's it's at 71, but anywhere near it, it's kind of like a magnet of resistance. Might want to push it down just a little bit, sacrifice a couple points.
NQ.
Unless she finally
Don't do
breaks
it.
out. I mean, this has been, like you said, been ranging, and this looks like good demand here
Mm-hmm.
around this VWAP zone. But I mean, we want to see this freaking break above 570. The Bears have been doing a great job of keeping it
Yeah.
low.
Mm-hmm. Dude, come on.
17-8. No losses. Let's see. Largest winning trade, 8K. That's too funny. And only $56 in fees and commissions. That is a great day.
Yeah. Congratulations, bro.
Well,
Yeah, I mean,
emotional.
dude, it's in a sim, but
Yeah.
I mean the performance, man. You gotta congratulate yourself on just being able to perform like that, even if it is in the sim.
Yeah. The emotions aren't there, but yeah, I know what you mean. See, this is hope, man. This is dangerous.
Man, God.
NASDAQ.
All right, I gotta leave my stop right there, man. I only got $1,200 to draw down. I can't let this thing play around with me.
You ain't want to take it. I don't think it's gonna break out unless
Dude,
ES break out.
it missed me, dude. It missed me. Like, it literally missed me, man.
Oh, I was gonna say you didn't want to take the trade on the ES.
Nah, I missed it on the ES. I was trying to, but I missed it.
But then I
Damn.
looked up at the ES chart and it's basically playing around.
Just stand right here.
Damn.
Yeah, I need to check.
Oh man, it was there too. NASDAQ, why are you such a bitch? Ah, God damn. It was right there. Why? All she needed to do was hit my target and I would have been done. Why did you do? Why are you like this?
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
Yeah, it is, bro.
And that'd be real messed up if she breaks out right now.
Yeah, it would be.
ES looks like
But
it's ready to go. No. Nasty. ES is looking
I gotta
solid.
make $800.
ES is looking solid. Oh no. And look at NASDAQ follow. ES is looking solid for a breakout.
NASDAQ, it's not that I hate you. It's just that sometimes I can really hate you. All right. Because you just be doing stuff, man. And it be for no reason.
Yeah. That previous
All right, man.
candle on ES was solid. It was only 3.5 points, but still, it was. That's what got us here on NQ to get right back to this 23. Now, if this ES candle can push, then we finally break out of this. This 23 has been holding though.
All right. Hit that target. Bam! Damn, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Passed. Ah! So this is what I did today, guys. Shit, I'm up. Man, I'm like super up, dude. Super up. Super up. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I'm done. Passed. 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 Ah.
Oh my gosh.
uh, yeah. Yeah, oh, so you're saying they're not gonna let it break 600? Muhammad, please don't say that and mean it. Cause I got my, oh man, I got my, so I got some spy calls from yesterday. They're probably worth nothing, but cause all this volatility dropped. But I got some 600 calls. Don't tell me they ain't trying to push it past it. He said no way. It says no way they're not gonna let it push past it. Well, I got 600 calls. I mean, they're up. I bought these at $6. So what is that? 6, 6, 6, 8. That's 324. So about 400% right now. They're up. We'll see. We'll see. All right, passed. That's all I wanted to do with that account. I just wanted to pass it. I wanted to take it on the ES. So my plan with this account was that I wanted to get in that VWAP on ES so I can ride it up for an easy time. But I had to get, because I missed it and it missed the damn VWAP like by a point. And once I saw that it moved up, I knew it wasn't going to come back. So I was like, well, I'm going to have to take the risk on the NASDAQ, even though the NASDAQ is super choppy and I don't have drawdown on this thing. I have like $1,200 worth of drawdown on this. So, I mean, I had 2 or 3 minis on. I mean, one wrong move and that's the whole account. That's the drawdown right there. So I was like, shit. I'm just glad it worked out. She missed my target the first time. If she hit my target, I would have been passed. But then I had to make an extra $300 to make up for that loss. So I'm glad it all worked out. I'm done. I don't need to trade no more. Let's go in the sim so I don't make a mistake. Let's actually make sure I don't got no lingering orders anywhere real quick. Cancel all orders real quick. Yeah, all right. So I got all the orders canceled on all my accounts. Let's go in the sim and we can have some fun. We can have fun. Damn. So it says if it breaks 600, then market makers have to hedge, and I can calculate it, and you'll see the madness. So above 600, it squeezes, huh? Yeah, Alfred. Yeah, yeah. I was trying to get in at the bottom of that range, but I think y'all see why I try to only trade the Nasdaq and the sim, because I go straight to gambling. I don't know why. I don't know why, what it is about the Nasdaq where I just say fuck everything else and just start gambling. But this is why. This is why. This time it worked out, but that could have been worse. Or yeah, it worked out. So I'm just gonna focus on that. It worked out. Damn, 196,000 cons. Dang. Yeah, that shit's gonna super squeeze. Like, I mean, shit, they're holding it. So we know that liquidity's on both sides now. I think it's whoever breaks out first. The liquidity's on both sides. We'll definitely see a squeeze. The money's on both sides. Well, hopefully, Mohammed, hopefully they do break out. Hopefully they do. Because I want my calls to get to like $50. Or actually, I want my calls to go to be in the money. I might actually take off Actually, no, because this morning I lost $16 of value because I think the high of these contracts was like 36, and I was just kind of too slow to close it. Yeah, I think they're gonna probably chop this thing until 12 o'clock, and that's probably when we'll see a move. You said they're buying on like crazy, man. Hopefully they keep buying, man. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the market makers need to get the hell out the way. That's what they need to do. And let my calls print. And then once they print, they can do whatever the hell they want after that. Shit. Let my calls be great. I was fighting myself all yesterday about buying these calls because instinctively I wanted to buy puts. But I was looking at all the structure yesterday. I was looking at the flow. I was looking at everything because this is what I saw yesterday. They was hitting, or I guess they don't have it anymore. Maybe I'll start taking screenshots. But all yesterday they were hitting 591, 591, 591, and 591 was at the highs. And I was like, you know, those could be sells because at least on SPY, we was at that area. We was at that area of resistance at 591. We was at that area yesterday. You can see that the market was downtrending. It was getting rejected at that trend line right there. And I was like, no, that's too easy. I mean, this thing looks like a straight up short. People's going to short this thing because we saw that rejection at that trend line. And so I was like, you know what? Against my bearish instincts, I'm going to buy calls. Because the job ain't finished. But then I was thinking, I was like, well, if they do sell this thing, because I was debating if I should buy 585 puts or 600 calls. Mm. You said 591. So what are they doing at 591? He says, yeah, but you know how that goes, Mohammed. I just don't like. Okay, so I know that selling options, the money is almost guaranteed. We're not going to say that it is, but I just don't like that. Okay, so let's actually look at this because, like I said before, I grew a $500 account to 6K selling options. It's just that the one thing that I didn't like when I was selling options was that if I lost one time, I would have to roll and add more money to the position, or I'm losing more than I can make, even though you can make the money consistently. I mean, you can. Especially if you're getting at an area of support and just let the contracts lose premium, and it's easy money. But like right here, if I buy this at the money right now, I'm risking $300 to make 190. Now, it's like I said, it's guaranteed as long as price stays above my my short strike. As long as it stays above it, the premium will run out. But I'm risking $300. And every time when I would trade 0 DTE, XBX, so actually let's look at the 0 DTEs. Let's actually look at today. Let's look at today because that's next week. Let's look at today. Let me see if it'll let me do it. It probably won't, but yeah, I'm risking $345 to make 150, and I'm damn near at the money. I'm literally at the money right now. I mean, in order for this to work out, I would actually have to get deep in the money for me to make 300, but then I'm gonna have to have price close above my short strike in order to get this. So the more that you move up, the more that you can make, the probability of profit goes down versus if I move this down, the probability of profit goes up. But then I could potentially lose $300 just to make 145. Now I can play. I know if the strike is unlikely to get down here, but I'm making $70, risking 430. But then my probability of profit goes up. So I just got tired of the stress. And I just started buying them. And then once I got addicted to buying options, I just never went back to selling them. I like the idea of me just buying $10 calls or $10 puts, have price trade into the money, and those $10 calls turn to $1 or something like that. I like trading that way. So ever since I started trading that way, I just never went back to selling calls or selling options, even though it's more consistent than buying them. It's way more consistent. Yeah. Yeah, it is because I mean, and then if you don't have the 25K in your account, and believe me, I would never put 25K into any trading account. I had to not only did I have to battle against potentially losing $300 to make 100. If price came back on you, you know they got that stupid PDT rule, and you can only do that 3 times. So it was like, not only do I have to pay attention to price all day until 12 o'clock. That's when the premium starts to decrease. Even if price comes back to my strike and go below it, depending on the premium at that time and what time of day, I can still be in profit. So it's really hard to lose money selling options. But if you're on the wrong side of selling options, well, that's how you'll start losing that money. And SPY is not open 24 hours. So sometimes SPY likes to do shit overnight and then gap up. So if it gaps up and you want to sell options, it can potentially come right back down, and then your position is underwater. And then you have to either close the position or roll it. So it's like, it was just a lot. And that's why I just stopped. But I think we get into 600 though. We should get to 600. Hopefully, Muhammad, they don't. They'll probably reject it at 600 or something because we're at 98. We're at 98. It looks like the Nasdaq is going to finally break out of this thing. The ES has already did it, I think. Yeah, the ES is already broken out. The ES is broken out already, but yeah. You said the spread takes away some stress. Yeah, but then it also takes away your profit too. So it's like, or I don't know when Griff can trade. I don't know when you join, but yeah, we're talking about selling credit spreads and selling option premium. All right, Jack. Have a good day. I think if the ES can keep moving, we can get all the way up here to 650 on the ES. Seriously. If the ES can keep moving, I was looking at 645. We can possibly see 647 above these highs. 647 is what I'm looking for. 647, 649. You know they're going to front run that 50 level if it gets there. That the Nasdaq is underperforming while the ES is flying. Isn't that some crazy shit? The ES is literally flying right now.
Yeah, I was getting ready to say, like, this is nasty work. We literally have not left this area while ES is pushing new highs.
So Muhammad says 598 is the next big calls, but 600 is madness. Yo, dude. Hey, Muhammad, put it into the manifest it. Say, hey, go to 600, go to 601, go to 603. Just keep pumping. Just keep buying them calls. I just want my XBX calls to hit. That's what I want. Yeah. I want my XBX calls to hit. I mean, they was up at the highs. I could have closed it at 130, but you know, I figured the day was gonna run. He wasn't at 600 yet, so the job wasn't finished. Hopefully, I don't have to pay for that. I mean, I'm up 50% right now on these calls, but I was up 400%. So, yeah, hopefully this thing keeps going. He said is underperforming because of Qs. Now let's actually look at Qs real quick. Let's actually look at the let's see what they're doing at Qs. Yeah, it just seems like the Qs are just, I don't know, it's just so inconsistent. It's just so inconsistent on Qs. One day it pops up and outperforms the SPY and everything else, and then it just the next day is lackluster. I mean, are you seeing orders at 525? Yeah, because it looks like people are looking for 524 on the Qs. Looks like they're looking for 524 at least. You said only look at the big options. Oh yeah, let's look at Nvidia. Have you Smith, have you looked at Nvidia? Is Nvidia part of this or no?
Man, I ain't looking at it. I did check it, but I was so disappointed in it that I was just like, you know what? Get off. You're banned. Get off my charts. Talk about underperforming. I should have been in Tesla. Dang.
Yeah.
Or Netflix.
Let's actually look at that. Netflix. Netflix is running?
Netflix is up $13 right now, almost 14.
Why? Squid Games came out like what, 2 weeks ago? Why? I'm probably buying puts at the end of the day. I'm buying puts. Yo, look at the premium on Netflix. Yo, that's crazy. Yo, why the fuck is, well, my bad. Why is Netflix so expensive to buy? Dude, you're not touching $10 on Netflix until $1,200. You already know you're not. You know Netflix ain't about to touch this. That's expensive, man. Why is Netflix so expensive?
I don't know.
Tesla. Let's actually look at the 0 DTEs for Tesla. You said what?
I said Tesla's back. Meta was going crazy. Was it yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
Or the day before? But now it's kind of lackluster today. Netflix going.
We finally got that breakout.
All the money is going into Netflix and Tesla.
Mm-hmm. I wonder why Netflix. Like, dude, I mean, it's not like they announced season 3 of Alice in Borderland or something. Yo, I'll say this, man. Yo, the Koreans, man, they taking over pop and they taking over drama. Man, they got the best pops and they got the best dramas. My favorite dramas are all Korean.
Yeah. They do make some good movies.
Like, their movies are fucking awesome. Like, why can't we make good movies like that anymore?
Train to Busan was good.
Mm-hmm.
That's an instrument.
Yo, congratulations on that Gameway. Gameway says he made 82,000 today.
Yeah, congrats, bro.
Congrats.
Why not go for 100? No. Make it an even 100. Only 20 more K. Nah, that's funny. Nah, that's what's up though. Congrats.
I'm happy for you.
It should have been me.
You saw the anime solo leveling? Yeah, yeah. Japanese definitely got all the best anime. Koreans got the dramas. All right, break out, baby. Break out. We need to see 600. The job ain't finished. The job ain't finished. We need to see 600. So this is what I'm gonna do with these calls, because we're getting close to expiry, and if these things ain't in the money, then so I'm gonna close one now to get my money back. I'm actually close 2 of these to get my money back. You already know I'm about to. I ain't gonna close that XPX.
Yeah, NQ is not even moving, which is crazy. What's holding them back?
Mm-hmm.
Said the Qs? What's the Qs doing right now?
Oh, dude, no way.
Qs are already up.
Right.
Dang.
Come on. Hey, gain weight. I need $1. I need $1. You got $1. Let me hold it until tomorrow. All right. Hey, gain weight. Man, I've been having problems with my roof, and I just don't know what I need. My back's been hurting. My roof, it needs fixing. I just don't know who else to turn to. But yeah, so I was having this imaginary conversation with my kids, trying to teach them how to be financially stable and fit and what comes with that. And one of the things that I was imagining telling them as they get older is that once people see you as the breadwinner, once people, for whatever reason, when you make money, they say, damn, that's our money. For whatever reason. I don't know why, but they feel that your money is theirs. And that whenever they have problems, they come to you and they have entitlement to the money that you made. So during this imaginary conversation with them, I prepared them that, yeah, success comes with a lot. You're going to get hurt by the people that you care about the most. Moms, dad, people that are not financially stable themselves. Once you become it, they're going to hate you with, man, I took care of you. Remember when I did this for you? Remember when I did that for you? I need help. Blah, blah, blah. And I told them that, guess what? When you're a child and there's adult, that's their responsibility. You don't have to owe anybody anything unless that's what you want to do. They're not entitled to anything that you've earned unless that's what you want to do. And if that's what you want to do, you need to understand that you're not getting that money back. And you need to also understand that they're going to keep coming. You'll be their problem solver. So that's the thing, that when it comes with success, unfortunately, you have to protect yourself against the people that you care about the most, because they're going to be the ones that's going to hurt you. And I hopefully, and after this imaginary conversation with my kids when they were older, I would hope that this wouldn't be something that they would have trouble with, because I certainly don't have trouble with it. I don't think my mom would ever do it, but I mean, obviously I will always want to help my mom, but she ever hit me with entitlement? I was like, all right, mom, I love you, but no. Shit, no. 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 Brother? No, I'm gonna help my brother. My brother's been there for me a lot. And he ain't have to do it. It's just the whole point of that is that, nah, You just have to create boundaries and don't let people cross that boundaries without attacking them. Because as soon as they cross boundaries and you don't attack them and you don't protect that boundary, they'll just walk right into it. Don't care. And then you tell them no, they getting mad at you talking about, I'm not going to talk to you no more. Like, all right, shit. You ain't going to talk to me. You still ain't getting no money. So yeah, hopefully that's the one thing, one of the big things, setting boundaries, having self-respect, understanding human nature. That's the main thing I want to pass on to my kids. And I hope and hopefully they embody it. Now, if my kids become entitled, they'll get cut off for sure. Cut off completely. I'm not here to play the game for you. I've seen too many times. I mean, the world is full of examples of parents playing the game for their kids. Kids never grow up. They never they never grow into maturity. They never take a self accountability because they know that if they get in trouble, they can run to mom, they can run to dad, and they don't have to play the game themselves because their parents are playing it for them. Even though that's what we kind of want to do as parents, I know better. My kids are playing the game for themselves. I'm only here to guide them through it. That's it. That's it. Especially my little daughter. She already, she think that she owns the world. Like, what the, like, why do you think that? Like, why?
I'm sitting here dying laughing. He said, "So you still not getting no money? You don't gonna talk to me?" That was so funny. It's sad but true.
Yeah, unfortunately. Yeah. He says someone is fighting market makers on ES. Yeah, they need to. Let me hold something. Let me hold it until tomorrow, and tomorrow never comes. It's like, yeah, I'm gonna get back to you. I'm gonna get back. I sit there and start parking watching people. You give them $20 and then you see them on social media buying all kind of shit. Like, damn, where my $20 at? It's like, don't you owe me $20?
Yeah,
But on some real shit though. Oh, go ahead.
They trying to hold these calls back. That's
Yeah, I know, man. Like, they ain't trying to let my calls be great right now.
That's a devious
Bastards.
word. Yeah. You know, any other time NQ would be running.
Yeah.
ES all at breaking highs. I'm not about to say all the time, but breaking the highs. You know, NQ
Shit,
should be up there.
Yeah, dude, that's crazy. Like, it's absolutely crazy. But I mean, the ES is getting to that level though. Before, I might have to close these XBX calls, man. I might have to close them because it looks like, I mean, it feels like, I mean, XBX is still going up, man. CS is still going up. But for those that but for those that are dealing with this type of stuff, friends, family, somebody, the one thing that you should always say to that person, to your loved one, is that if you respect the relationship that we have, if you value the relationship that we have, please don't put me in a position to lose that relationship. Get them to think about what they're willing to lose, because a lot of people like to borrow money and then they try to duck you. And if it's in your heart to give it to them, make sure you allow them to know that, hey, I'm counting on you. This is going to cost the relationship. Is it worth it? And that lets you know that if they don't, they start ducking you, they don't pay you back. You don't ever have to deal with them ever again. They'll never come back. Never. And that's what you should want. You paid them $20 for them to never ask you for money ever again. They'll leech off somebody else. And that shows you that they never really truly valued the relationship in the first place. They only value what they can take from you. Set them boundaries, people. Set them. Give me a second.
Blah 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 blah.
All right.
Yes, much better.
We $2 away, baby. Come on, come on. We see all that green on the TickStrike. Come on, baby. Come on, come on. Keep pumping. Yo, the Nasdaq is literally still in this freaking range, dude. What's going on right now, dude? All right, let's see if we can get a breakout here. A breakout above that high. Shit, SPY ain't at 600. Job ain't finished. You know, honestly, I think they're gonna probably pull some bullshit with SPY. So Muhammad says that if it gets above 600, then the market makers is gonna throw in 196,000 contracts, and then we'll definitely have to see a squeeze for that. Mm.
Hold me back.
Hmm.
Hold me back. She ain't done nothing.
Dang, ES dropped. Yeah, I mean, ES is getting at that level, man. ES is getting at that level. It's getting dangerously close to it. I mean, let me actually look at long-term puts. I think so. I'm going to look at so the inauguration is the 24th. The market is going to close early. I'm going to look at, and this ain't financial advice. So I'm going to look at some puts for next week. I'm looking at some puts. It's not financial advice. Dang. So the puts for next week. If I want to buy, okay. So let's look at that. Let's look at some XBX calls because I don't think we run. I think once we get to that high, we're going to probably see that drop. And once we get to these highs, then we're going to see a drop. Or this could be the start of the Trump pump. I mean, it's either or. I just know that if we get above 608, man, we squeezing. I mean, so, hey, what do you think, Smith? We got to break out of that trend line. But technically, oh shit, Muhammad, what do you think? We see higher prices or what? I mean, the question is, will this area right here will this area act as resistance? I think it does. I think it does. I think 603 might be the target. I think 603 might be the target. I think when price gets to 603, because Mohammed says above 600, the market makers don't want to go above 600. But we got this block of sell liquidity right here. We got this nasty bullish engulfing candle, or my bad, bearish engulfing candle right here that confirms this area to be supply. So I think if price trades into 603, possibly somewhere in this range, we could potentially see that move back down. We got FOMC on the 30th. We have Trump on the 20th. So we have two highly volatile moves. Hold on, my daughter's throwing a fit. Damn. All right. Anyway. So, I mean, this right here, this area right here is definitely going to be some supply. I don't think, I mean, it doesn't look like this candle right here is set up for a reversal. It's set up for a continuation. I mean, we got a gap up right here from here. So that's obviously bullish. There's nothing bearish about that. There's nothing bearish about that. So, I mean, at least we see at least 600, 603. Now, if I start seeing the flow come in of these institutions selling in that area, I don't think they're going to be buying anywhere in this area. I don't think there's going to be too much buying in this area. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. XBX, let's look at that because I really want to get some XBX puts, not no SPY. I mean, the same thing with XBX, obviously. I mean, if SPY don't move, XBX ain't gonna move. I mean, it's the same thing. I mean, at least to fill that gap, at least to fill. I mean, I guess I'll wait until it gets closer to a volatile event. I'll wait until like closer to FOMC, closer to well, the inauguration is literally in the next 3 days. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens with the on Monday. We'll see. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay. Yeah, I think so too, Mohammed, and I also think so too, Grip Can Trade. Yeah. Yeah, there's definitely a lot. Now we got 2 Mohammeds in the chat. Awad. Okay. So if we accept, yeah, we was actually looking at that. If we can get above this, I mean, if we see the rejection here, then I do think that yeah, we'll definitely be going down, probably back down to 15, back down to these EMAs, back down to levels of support. But 45 is definitely going to be that level that ES needs to get above and hold if we want to see continuation. There's a strong high at 68 right here. And if we can get a close above this 68, then I won't be bearish anymore. I'll be bullish. If we get a close above 68, that will literally be an official. It will be a price breaking out of this downtrend, and this will be a higher high and a higher low. But we need to close above 668, which I doubt. But if we do, that's what I'm looking for. And the same thing with the NASDAQ. If this thing can break above 680, and I think that's probably why the NASDAQ is being held back, because I really don't think that they really want to get above 800. But if we can get above 900 on the ES, I mean, my bad, on the NASDAQ, because we've already officially broken out of the smaller downward trend, but the overall downward trend we're still in. We're still in it. We're still making higher lows or lower highs. So we would need this to break that, above that, to break that overall downward trend. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, I think, yeah, I was just about to say, my position should be good. Keep on pushing. You said at 6,017 cons on calls? Like I said, I'm gonna let these ride. I'm gonna let these calls ride. And about a ton. Yeah, it's getting close though.
Dang, SPY at 98.45.
$98.45. Let's look at these SPY calls. Okay. I think I need to close them. I think I need it because, I mean, I'll probably close one. I'll probably leave one to run, but we'll see. We're almost there. So Muhammad A said, I'm already in long, being careful up to, yeah, dude, I think that's what these market makers trying to do, man. Anybody that knows how to play this option game knows that after 12, 1 o'clock, that's when the premium starts to accelerate and starts to decrease. If they're buying calls, and obviously they expire today, that's when that premium is going to start running out at 12 o'clock, and people's going to have to be forced to close and sell out of their positions. So we could see a sell off at 12 or 1. We'll see. Right now, that's only an assumption, obviously, but it's highly likely to happen. I mean, we getting some flow. I mean, we getting some calls. I mean, yeah, just like Muhammad said, man, they buying it. People are starting to buy a little bit of puts though. I mean, let's kind of see let's see what they're gonna do long term. I kind of want to see what they do after the 20th. That's kind of what I want to see. So let's see. Well, actually, I'm gonna probably do it to like the 3rd because I want to see what they do. So I want to see what they do on the 20th to the 3rd for FOMC. Okay. That's so damn complicated. All right. Yo, okay. Yeah, they're sweeping puts. All right. So they got 5. So they've been sweeping puts today. And they got them long dated puts until the 20th, 23rd. They got puts for next week. They got puts. Let me see if they put some real money into these. Let's see. Put some real money into this. So they got 124 puts, 597s. All right, so we got that first target hit. I mean, that should be no surprise to nobody. Let's see if we can let this thing run a little bit. Yeah, let's see. Let's let it run. Let's let it run, baby. Let's let it run. Girl, if you don't hit that damn target. Bitch. Anyway, all right. Yo, it always stops at that target, yo. It always does that crap. Yeah, Gameway. Actually, I was thinking that too. I was actually thinking that too. Actually, that's exactly where I got my target at. Believe it or not. That's exactly where I got my target. At well, actually I moved it up. But we'll see. So I'm up about 370 points in this move right now. Yeah, I should have added some more to this same thing. Should have added it. All right, so my 600 calls is about to be in the money. It's $1 more. All right, I'm gonna close one of these. I'm closing one. I'm getting my money. I'm getting my money back. I literally 9x that. I bought these at $6 and I'm selling them at 45. So I'm definitely gonna sell that. All right. All right, so my XBX calls are back up. Should I close it? Man, should I close it? All right, so this is what I'll do with these. I bought these XBX calls at $25. So they're super up right now. I'm gonna cry if this thing goes into the money and I close it now. You know what? I'm not gonna be greedy. 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 It was at 55. All right, I'm not gonna be greedy on this. I'm not gonna be greedy. Because this thing is getting really close to and yeah, Mohammed, this is why I only buy options now. I like to buy them cheap and sell them for obviously. All right, let's look back at these down. All right, so my SPY calls are at $50. I bought these at 6. I should close it, right? I should close it, right? I should close it. What should I do? What should I do? I should close it. I should close it. Just close it, dude. Close it. Close it. Close it. Close it, dude. Close it. Close it. Close it. Let it close. Take your money. Take your money, bro. Take it. What? Okay. I don't know what the hell just happened. What just happened? What just happened? Oh crap.
Take your money.
I'm trying. I don't know what the hell. I don't know if I just. I didn't buy these. I know I didn't. I wouldn't be that foolish. Did I just buy these at $50? Come on, baby. Come on, don't drop on me. Don't drop on me. Don't drop. I think I bought. I think I bought. I think I made a mistake and probably bought them. All right. Man, all right, man. All right. All right, so ES got the 50. That's what I was concerned about. That's what I was debating. ES got the 50. ES got the 50. Mm. All right, take me to the promised land. Fill these orders, baby. Fill them. I'll get out at 51. I'll get out at 51. All right, I took the profits on that one. Took the profits on that. I got one. Okay, no, I'm gonna take the profits on this. I'm gonna close it. I'm closing it. I'm gonna close it. I'm not. Come on. Oh my God. Come on. Don't do this. I said I was gonna close it. All right. Come on. Don't do that. I said I was gonna close it. Shit. All right. Let me just close this. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna close it. All right, just close it, dude. Jeez, I already got one closing. Just close it, dude. Just close it. Cancel that. All right. All right. Just close it and don't look back, dude. Just close it and don't look back. Dude, did I just buy it again? Okay. Why is it? Okay, close. Damn. Okay, I can't. Obviously, I can't do that. So this thing is okay, so I'm making mistakes. I'm fighting against myself because I keep buying it back. All right. I mean, does it come back? That's the question. Does it come back? All right. Yo, what the fuck? Oh, why is it keep doing that? I'm closing the position. Why the hell is it saying to freaking I'm closing the position. Why does it keep buying it? Like, what's up with that? All right. All right, so SPY hit that freaking that level. I'm afraid to look at this XBX. Look at that, man. It was at 152. I mean, I can still close this and I will still be up. I'm profitable in a day. I will still be profitable in a day. I just gonna have to probably be patient on this and hope that this thing doesn't just fall out the sky. Let's actually look at that real quick. All right. Now this thing wants to do that? Like, now it wants to do all that? All right. All right, so SPY got to almost 600. The one thing that is frustrating right now is I don't understand how I was buying these when I could have sworn I was setting these things to close. That's what's frustrating. I don't understand how this thing started buying them when I was closing, literally closed the position. But I think I don't think this thing's gonna fall out the sky yet. I don't think so. They're gonna probably want to do some. Let's go to the minute charter real quick. They're gonna probably want to do some because the bulls ain't gonna let this go. Not like that. Let's get the almighty 1 minute chart. Yeah, they're gonna probably want to retest that high at least 98. I mean, price is still technically trending. If we see a rejection here, then these calls are basically done if they reject. But the market is still trending. Still trending. Hold on, guys. Let me get my daughter off the All right. All right. So let's see. Well, if we don't see continuation right here, this thing is gonna go down.
Yeah, I'm calling it here.
Okay.
See y'all next time.
All right, bro. Have a good day, man.
Yeah, have a good weekend. Y'all stay green.
Peace.
Later.